Whoa. One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. What I got here for you today is a 86 Mercedes-Benz 560SEL. Sorry, I'm really cramped on my lot now, so my shadow's gonna have to go through it. I got cars everywhere around here, just everywhere. I think we're about 103. I mean, when I say everywhere, I mean everywhere. They're everywhere. So, with that in mind, this 86 560SEL is a nice, clean car. It's got its flaws, and I'll show you them all up close and personal here once we do a quick once around. Basically, one owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. What I got here for you today is a 1986 Mercedes-Benz 560SEL. Sorry about the shadow there coming into it, and my shadow. I am packed to the gills. 103 cars, got 2 sitting outside the fence, 3 sitting outside the fence. There's cars everywhere here. It's absolutely insane. So, with that in mind, this one, it's a clean car. I'm gonna go around it. I'm gonna show you all the different stuff on it and do a quick walk around before that. It's not perfect, it's got some damages. I'll show you them. Low miles, 89,000 miles on this car. I think what we have here is one of the last gray market cars around. I can't find an auto check on it, which is what a gray market car does. They don't pull up. So, don't know. And it should have one, because everything after 81 pretty much has one. So this one's not pulling up. I think it's probably like, because it's made of 9 of 85, could be like the last of the gray market cars. So, I'm going to show you up close. Nathan, 406-546-8748. Call me anytime. oneownercarguy.com for all kinds of stuff. Pictures of this. Scuff, scratch. Tires are dry rotten. Underneath it is in good shape. Fading on the hood. Now this will polish out a bit. We did not polish this car. Dent right there. Someone took and hit this thing with a hammer or an ice pick or something right here. And they got it with a bat or something back there and right here. Chrome's in good shape. Got some moisture in this light. Yellowing. A slight cracking on this light and this light. Bumper's in good shape, besides that other scuff. Like I say, don't like the tires. They've got dry rot. Dust on it. Some miscellaneous scratches, another dent. Got a crack in the windshield. And going down the sides, look like somebody boom, 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 ding, 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 ding. And scratch here, scratch here, scratch here. Not serious scratches. But here's where they must have got it with a baseball bat or something. Not sure, don't know. Wasn't there. And as you can see, right here too. It's a dent. Paint's compromised there. So, it is what it is. They smacked it right here too. They smacked it. They got this car. Somebody pissed off somebody. That's that. So, that's pretty much the main part of the damage. It would have been a really nice car had that not been done. So, underneath it, clean. Going down the sides, on this side, there ain't really many dings. I don't see a ding. They actually left this side alone. They're like, ah, well, they were just on the other side. Maybe. Oh yeah, there's this. Wow, that's the worst of it. There might be a ding somewhere there I missed, but I ain't seeing it. Yeah, it's clean. Okay, well, oh wait. Right here. No, that's what I see on it. Once again, 406-546-8748, 89,000 miles. I'm gonna get pictures of the interior and do the rest of the video. Call me up anytime, oneownercarguy.com. Check out the pictures and subscribe, like, comment here on YouTube. All right, here we are when the sun went down a bit. Good looking car. I like to get it both in the sun and in the more shadier time of night, because I do my interior pictures now, where there's no shadows and stuff on them. It's a good looking car, I'll tell you that. So, that's pretty much the whole deal. Underneath the hood is in great shape. Nice and clean. It's missing the insulation from under the hood. And it's missing these here too. Door panels, great shape. And these are one of the most annoying buzzers in the whole universe. I've got a light on my camera, hoping that'll show it better. No wear on nothing, it's clean, man. 89,000 miles. I'll tell you, it's a little weird time. All that's coming right at us. The whole hills are on fire. Smells like smoke. It's pretty bad. There's a tear in the seat there. That's the only really one. That's got a fold over type thing. That's the only real tear. A little wear on the bolster or whatever there. Pretty clean. The headliner's in great shape. Steering wheel's got a little, it's not spongy like they get, but it does have some of the dye worn off. The doors are tight. Small crack right there, I just noticed. Good shape. And that is hanging out of there. So there's a clip broke on it. Nice and clean in the back seat. It's not all ripped up or torn up. Opening these doors and closing these doors, it grabs brush and stuff and closes it in there. I didn't do much detailing. Clear coat is pretty much gone for most of the week. And also, I noticed this one with a dent. So, al dente. This was the same way. I want you to see everything. It is not a perfect car. We didn't detail it. You could clean up. Carpet shampooing would do a wonder. I don't have a lot of help right now. There's just not a lot of help to be had. So, with that in mind, kind of hard to get help. Kind of hard to do all the extra stuff. Plus, I don't like pushing the price of the car up. Cracks in the dash, miscellaneous little cracks there. It's still flush, but it's been compromised. The door to the glove compartment's missing. Yeah, that's pretty much got a Kenwood stereo. Showed you under the hood. Door panels are in great shape. As far as the seat, this side, get it? It goes forward, goes back, and goes back. The up and down, this one, on that does not work. Driver's seat, forward, backward, up, down, up in the back, down in the back. The headrest does work on this one, and the back and forth works too. Very clean car, very straightforward car. Car does not have any brakes right now. All right, gonna start it up for you. A little bit of an exhaust leak. Seems to idle a little high too. The mirror over there, it is not working. Could be a fuse. I have not diagnosed or dove into that. I don't hear the antenna going up. Huh, that came on. And the blower is not blowing. So, that is pretty much the deal with that. Well, that's it, folks. It ain't rusty. It's clean. It's got its little flaws. Not everything's perfect, but it's a cheap car, low mile, ready to go. Nathan, 406-546-8748. Call me anytime. OneOwnerCarGuide.com. Like, subscribe, comment, call them by.